Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can mark asset and clear asset in Blender. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So let's drag this to the left side. So here we can add our asset. Click on here and let me click on this so I can have this. And now let's go to asset browser, and here I would like to save this beautiful asset I created in 3 seconds. And now just press A to select all, right click, or not, just go here. Actually it's better, just go here, select the cube you created there, and how depends how you named your object, and then right click, and here you have mark as asset. Now we have our asset here, and if you want to remove the asset, just right click and you have clear asset. So I hope this short tutorial saved you time, and I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate that. Thank you.